Everybody, hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're here at the St.Regis Hotel, and if you can't already see, we're here on the beach, and if I'm flinching my eyes, it's because I'm facing the sun directly, so you guys can get that good amazing lighting. And we came here around at like 7, and it's because like we wanted to see the sunrise, and it's not like too early in the day, so the sun won't be like super sunny, but it is kind of sunny right now. I'm like sweating, and I guess that's all I can say pretty much for the beach. It's just the beach. So let's kill the montage. By the way guys, wherever you go in this hotel, like a pool or a beach, they always give you ice cold water, which is pretty cool. So when you're done with your pool sesh or beach sesh, you can have some ice cold water to refresh yourself. Alright guys, we just finished with our beach session right now, and after this we're gonna, after I get all the sand off my body, we're gonna head to the pool. So I'll see you guys at the pool. Woo! And we are here in the pool right over here guys. We're not gonna be staying here for much longer because we're already late to get breakfast. And a little thing I want to tell you guys, let me just put that aside. We actually came to the pool yesterday. We came to the hotel yesterday afternoon. I didn't want to vlog much because it wasn't really much. We just stayed for the afternoon. We came to the pool. We actually went down there because this area was like super crowded yesterday, and judging the way things are right now in the world, you don't really want to be near people. So let's get down and let me show you guys the pool. Hopefully I don't drop my camera. I don't know if you guys have realized this or not. This is actually an infinite pool, so that means the water is gonna be like straight all the way out. And like I said before, we're not gonna be here for much longer because we're already super late to get breakfast. And if you guys are wondering how the down spot looks like, there you go. Hopefully I don't fall out. I'm pretty sure the spot gets deeper. Okay, I'm gonna stay this far because I don't really want to drop my camera, like I said. And yeah, we're not gonna stay much longer, like I said again. So we're about to leave in a couple of minutes, so we're just gonna be chilling in the pool for a while. Also, shout out to this place for having vibey music when people are in the pool. It's pretty cool and it's pretty chill. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted because I don't really have the best luck when it comes to not getting copyrighted by YouTube. So if YouTube, you're watching this, please don't copyright me for this, please. Alright guys, for now we're leaving it at that. We're gonna head back to the hotel, freshen up, and get some breakfast. freshened up. Before we leave to get breakfast, I thought I want to show you guys this amazing view we got from the hotel. So check it out. It's pretty cool, isn't it? And if you guys look way over there in the corner, you can see there's a golf course. And a few minutes ago there were a couple of people golfing around there. There was a golf cart and it was actually pretty cool. And yeah, for now I'll meet you guys when we get breakfast. So guys, right now due to the situation in the world, how we see the menu is pretty cool. So they actually give you a QR link to scan on your phone and the menu just pops up on your phone. But I'm pretty sure there's not going to be much, as there's usually in this hotel there's kind of probably like 2 pages, but it's pretty cool. And undoubtedly the best part of ever staying in a hotel is the breakfast. So guys, right now they just brought me and my brother some orange juice. It's pretty amazing, the service here. Whoa! So guys, we just made it back to our hotel room. It's amazing. I know you guys want to see it, but I'm doing a separate video for it probably next week. So make sure you guys tune in. Well, hello. Tomorrow for me, next week for you guys. So we just got into our hotel room. Like I said, we're gonna chill for a while because we woke up really early in the morning, and then we'll be get to going. So I'll meet you guys in about 30 minutes. See you soon.
See you soon.
I also need to charge my camera's battery, so I'll be seeing you guys in a little while.
1 hour later.
So guys, right now we quickly came ahead to the pool because earlier we didn't get much time here because we were already late for breakfast. So now we're enjoying a bit of pool and the sunset. So guys, right now we just got back from, wow, it's super echoey here. So guys, right now we just got back from the pool. I got all freshened up, hence the bathrobe too. We ordered food, will be here in any moment. I know you guys also want to see the hotel room. I'm gonna be recording that tomorrow and you guys could see it in the next video. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe. I upload every now and then, I guess. Even though it says I upload every Monday, it's more like I upload whenever I like to. Also guys, I got a change of scenery because the toilet was super echoey, and hopefully you guys like my new little hotel background. Also guys, tell me that I don't look like a anime character with this bathrobe on, but for now I gotta change it. Whoa, I'm all changed up, looking fresh. As much as I like to be in that comfy robe, the food's gonna be here any moment and I gotta go and pick it up, and I can't go out looking like that. Also one more thing, I don't think I've ever posted a video without any sort of clothes changing transition. It's either I just snap my fingers, or I sneeze, or I jump. I think I've never posted a video like without any of it. I think it's the point, it's a tradition now. Hello. Good afternoon. Okay, I'm on my way. Yes. give me a moment. Here you go, Mr. Tip.
A few minutes later.
So guys, right now I just finished with dinner. I didn't really vlog because I think it was interesting. I was just checking the vlog footage. I don't think there's much video, so I'm gonna continue the vlog of tomorrow, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Peace. Good morning. So today morning, like yesterday, wait, there's a little something on my camera. So today morning, like yesterday, we came back to the beach because today is our last day, so we want to make the most out of it. And I don't know if you guys can hear me over the sound of these waves. Hopefully you guys can. Today I'm going to also show you guys a full room tour of our hotel room, obviously, and pretty much that's it, I guess. And then we're going to leave in the afternoon. I'm pretty sure it's the afternoon. And I know I told you guys that I'm going to do 2 separate videos, but yesterday I didn't have enough footage to make it like one video, so I'm just going to put it all together. Also, I better start walking this way so you guys can see me more better, my beautiful face.
1 hour later.
So guys, right now we just finished off with our beach session. We're going to go back to the hotel, get all freshened up, and go head for breakfast. I'll see you guys there. Woo! And we are here. So right now they got us some yogurt and fruits just like yesterday. I ordered my breakfast. It's gonna be here any moment, and they also gave me oranges, which is pretty good. So guys, yesterday I got waffles, so today I want to try something new. So guys, the breakfast just got here. Today I'm having sausages with some hash browns. Later on I'm gonna order some more. So guys, for 1-2 I'm having some Belgian waffles with strawberries and maple syrup, and I don't know what the other white thing is, but it's pretty cool. Whoa, and that's a wrap for breakfast. Those waffles were it was just amazing. So guys, right now I just got back to our hotel room after having breakfast, and I know I told you guys that I'm gonna do a room tour, but sadly the room is too much of a mess, and today afternoon we're going. So I guess that's it for today's vlog, or this week's vlog. Hopefully I'll see you guys next week, and I'm saying hopefully because we know how consistent I am when it comes to uploading. So I'll see you guys next week, hopefully. Peace.